will become a good one if you make it. Gano'n na naman.
Nagpa-4 para kina Don Pedro. Nice spin by the Don.
Ganda naman ang move na yun. Alam mo, ang ganda rin magpasok ng tao ito si Don Pedro, Peter Martin. Nakukuha niya agad yung inaasahan niya sa mga binubuo Terra Firma.
Trollano with a quick spin. But there is going to be an unsportsmanlike foul whistled here.
Yun ang adjustment na kinakailangan malaman at makapag-adjust ka agad.
Panganchani tautuwa doon. Jericho on the breakout. Touchdown, San Miguel.
Oh, huge problems right now, especially in the execution department for Terra Firma. They're forcing their shots even against tall trees of San Miguel. Hahanap pa rin sila.
Rio who hustles for it. Ahad Misi punches it through.
Good effort by Joseph Ariobu just to keep that ball alive and spot his open teammate. Hindi naman siya pinahiya ni Maverick. To do is just to make successive stops.
George would deny them that. It's a three-point play opportunity para kay King.
That is going to be a very difficult coverage for Jane Bravo to just contain George.
King, 4-ball. Pangalawa na yan.
Naka-cheat code eh. Diba? Paano mo babantay ang layo ng range? Hirap yun.
19 na po ang abante ng San Miguel. Turnaround jumpers.
And it's not just one or two. Kung mga nakatatlo ka na, doon saka mag-a-adjust ang depensa.
Wami with a baseline jumper and some cause for concern now para sa San Miguel.
Tuloy-tuloy na yung opensa at nakakakuha ng mga puntos itong Terra Firma. The timeout was...
Nawala kay Brundial. Wami bounces para Iso is off and running. We got an 8-point game.
And this is the kind of spirit that we've seen Terra Firma play at least in their first 3 games, particularly the last 2. Yung tambak na pero nakakabalik pa. 8 na lang ang fans natin. Nag-aantabay na dito sa kapunan na ito.
Ross nanakaw sana. Junmar with the board. First basket of the game para kay Abay.
Minama! Ni Abay. Walang nagawa yung kanyang mga defenders.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Naku, yun ang masakit.
Chu clutching. CJ kicks. Janik releases. 3-ball is good.
That is a mortal sin. We just talked about the anemic performance from San Miguel.
Gives it up papunta kay Wami. Forward pass. Bravo. Iniwas niya kay King.
Ang ganda naman ng layup na yun. Another basket via the transition.
May na 15 pero bumalik din ng ganong kabilis. As para Iso lights it up.
Bilib rin talaga ako sa tiwala ni Coach Jeff Napa. Ang daming mali ni Brent Paraiso.
Paraiso na ganda. Wami! Terra Firma is back from the dead. Deny Wami. That pass taken away. George seals it. San Miguel is back ahead.
So what you're seeing is an import not willing to...